let's make some ephemera. I've been cutting these little things out. They came on a sheet in my cardstock pack. And I decided to cut them out, back them onto some paper and cardstock, and I'm going to back them onto some fabric. So that's what we're doing. I'm a bit upset with Etsy, as everyone is, I think. I had an $11 and something sale. I think it was part of that was the shipping, and by the time Etsy was done taking their fees, and let me back up, I had signed up for Etsy's free shipping, and anyway, by the time Etsy took its fees, I ended up with $2.38 into my account. That was it, which didn't even cover the cost, what it cost me to pay for it. And I still had to pay for shipping, even though they had already taken out fees for shipping, which does not make sense to me since I do not use their shipping. But I had signed up for their free shipping, so I guess that would make a difference. But needless to say, I am very upset over it. I turned off my free shipping, and I am seriously considering finding another company. I've been approved by Amazon to sell on their handmade. And Natasha was talking about Zibbit and how good it is. I've tried Zibbit before and I just didn't have much luck with it. But maybe I should try again. I will probably stay with Etsy because it's so close to the holidays until the new year, and then switch over. Because I have made good money with Etsy in the past. I've done, you know, really good with Etsy during the holiday season. Not doing the paperwork stuff, but on doll clothes and welding hats. I made quite good with Etsy on those items. So we'll see. I'm just very disappointed right now. I mean, you work so hard and then something like that happens. I mean, because, you know, when you have handmade items, you work hard. You really do. Not just on the item itself, but you work hard for your sales. Or I do, because I promote myself, and, you know, it's just, there's a lot of work involved. It isn't just all fun creating the item. I mean, you still have to make your things. You still have to list them. You make your videos to promote them. I mean, it's just a lot involved. It's not just like crafting and having fun, because it's not all fun. There's a lot of work involved. So yeah, I was disappointed. So what we're doing is, I'm just gluing these to this, and then I'm going to take it over to my machine and stitch it. Kind of cut that one crooked, but that'll be okay. Just using up my scraps of paper. So yes, it does bother me, as it bothers all of us when we work so hard on something and then Etsy does that, you know. Alrighty, I have to decide if I want to back this onto this fabric or something else. I'm not real sure. Let me get some lace out to see if that's what I want to do. Let me pause. I'll pause and I'll be right back. So I have decided to back them onto this lace rather than the fabric. And I'm going to pause and I will go and stitch these and come back. By stitching them onto the lace, it will give me more of an option of what to put them on, you know, in the journal. So, whereas this, I would be a little more limited. So I will go stitch these and I'll come back. Okay, I'm back and I have done 3. This one is A and it says amazing. And this one is L and it says lovely. And this one says F and it says fabulous. So these 3 are ready to go in a journal or on a craft, or they can be hung together to make a banner, you know, or someone's name or something. But how cute would that be onto that, huh? With the lace and that. Adorable. So that's what I'm doing with those. And so I'm going to continue on with that. I just wanted to show you what I've done and how easy it is to take something like that came in a square, and I've cut it into sections and then into little squares, which you've seen I've already glued to cardstock and so that's what I'm doing. So God bless and have a good day. Bye-bye. They would even be cute on an envelope. How cute would that be, huh? Or an even bigger envelope. Let's see, I made this one. How cute would that be, huh? So there's so many things that we can do with these. So that's what I've done so far. I thank y'all. God bless and have fun and bye-bye.